Good morning students, I am Selvarani, Maths teacher. Today we are going to see 7th standard Maths chapter 1 numbers. Already we saw in the previous class what are the types of numbers, then integers, how to add an integers, then properties of integers. Now I recall that properties. See, first one is closure property. Closure property is known as when we add two integer, the answer is also an integer. That is, a and b are two integer, a plus b is also an integer. Then commutative property. Commutative property is when we add the integer in any order, we get the same answer. See here, that is a and b are two integer, a plus b is equal to b plus a. Then associative property, when we add the three integer in any group, we get the same answer. That is a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Then additive identity. Additive identity is nothing but 0. When we add any integer by 0, the answer is same number. That is a plus 0, the answer is a. That is 0 plus a, the answer is a. Then additive inverse. In that number line, in that integer, every number has its opposite integer. For example, 4, the opposite integer of 4 is minus 4. The opposite integer of 10 is minus 10. The opposite integer of 9 is minus 9. Like that, the opposite integer of a is minus a. When we add the two opposite integer, we get the answer 0. When we add two integer, the answer will be 0. Then the two integers are additive inverse of each other. Here minus a and plus a, we add these two integer, we get 0. So minus a is the additive inverse of plus a is the additive inverse of minus a. Okay, now we move on example. First example, or 120 plus 51 and 51 plus 120 equal. See here, now we check 120 plus 51. 120 plus 51, we add these two numbers, 0 plus 1, 1, 2 plus 5, 7, 1. So the answer is 171. Next, we add 51 plus 120. See here, we write the digits carefully. Here 1 plus 0, 1, 5 plus 2, 7, 1. See here, the both answer is same. When we change the order and add the integer, we get the same answer. So what is this? If we change the order, we get the same answer. That is commutative property. Here addition of integer is commutative. Next, or minus 5 plus minus 4 plus of minus 3 and minus 5 plus of minus 4 plus minus 3 equal. First we take this integer minus 5 plus minus 4 minus 3. First we add inside the group, inside the bracket. This minus 5 you keep as it is. Minus 4 minus 3. Listen carefully. Here the signs are same. So we can add the integer. We put the same sign in the answer. Now you just leave the sign. What is the number? 4 and 3. Just you add. 4, 3 is 7. See here, minus 5, we add these two integer, we get minus 7. Again here, minus 5, minus 7. Here the signs are same. Put the same sign in the answer. Just leave the sign. Now we add the numbers. 5 plus 7, 12. See, the answer is minus 12. See here, now we take this term, that is minus 5 plus of minus 4 plus minus 3. First we add inside the bracket. Minus 5 minus 4. Here the signs are same. Both are a negative sign. So put the same sign in the answer. We add these two integer 9. That is minus 9. You keep this minus 4 as it is. Now again we have same sign. So put the same sign in the answer. 9 plus 3, 12. Here also the answer is minus 12. See here. Here we add this integer in two different order. That is, first we add these last two term, then first term. Here first two term, then last term. But the answer will be equal. This is the associative property. So addition of integer is associative. Addition of integer satisfy associative property. Next example 1.8. Find the missing integer. See here, first one is 0 plus minus 2345. When we add 0 to any number, we get the same number. Here, for example, 0 plus 4. The answer is 4. 0 plus 7. The answer is 7. 0 plus minus 10. The answer is minus 10. We add any number to 0, we get the same answer. Like this, 0 plus minus 2345. The answer is the same number, that is minus 2345. See here, next one, 23,479 plus what number? The answer will be 0. See here, we have to use additive inverse. So the additive inverse of plus 4 is minus 4. The additive inverse of minus 7 is plus 7. Like this, the additive inverse of 23,479 is minus 23,479. Now we add these two integer, we get the answer is 0. So we add 23,479 plus negative number of this, negative integer of this number, that is minus 23,479. We get the answer 0. Next, example 1.9, mention the property. The first one is minus 45 plus minus 12. When we add these two integer, we get minus 57. That also an integer. We add two integer, the answer also integer, that is closure property. Next, minus 15 plus 7 is equal to plus 7 minus 15. Here the orders are changed. So this is commutative property. When we change the order and add the integer, we get the same answer. That only here given equal. That is minus 15 plus 7 is minus 8 plus 7 and minus 15 also minus 8. Here the addition of these two integer in any order are equal. So this is commutative property. Next, minus 10 plus 3 is equal to minus 7. That is minus 10 is a negative integer plus 3 is a positive integer. The answer minus 7 is also an integer. When we add two integer, we get again an integer, that is closure property. Next, minus 7 plus of minus 5 is equal to minus 5 plus of minus 7. What is this what property is this? Yes, this is commutative because here we change the order. So this is commutative property. See here, minus 7 plus minus 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 7 plus minus 4 plus of minus 3. See here the bracket is the first and second and third term, but here the bracket is first and second term. Here the bracket are changed. So what property is this? If we add the integer in any order, we get the same answer. That only here given equal. So this is associative property. In closure property and commutative property, we take only two integer. In associative property, we take three integers. Here, see, 0 plus any number, the answer is same number. Here 0 plus minus 7,245. The answer is minus 7,245. See here, this 0 is additive identity. So this property is additive identity. Now we move on, exercise 1.1. Listen. First one is fill in the blanks. See here, minus 30 plus which number we get plus 60. See, listen carefully. Here minus 30. So what number we add to minus 30, we get plus 60. Let us take the number is A. We don't know that number. So let us take A. Now here we have to find the value of A. You keep this A as it is equal to, what number here we have? Yes, plus 60. This minus 30 come to this side, it comes plus 30. If it is here, in left side of the number is minus 30, it comes to right side, we take additive inverse, that is minus 30, it comes plus 30. See here, plus 60 plus 30, the answer is plus 90. So here we add minus 30 and plus 90. Here the value of A is plus 90. We get the answer is plus 60. Then next sum. Here minus 95, here minus 5 is given. For this minus 5 and which number we add to get the answer is minus 100. See here also we take this. Unknown number is A. See here minus 5. See, now we keep this A as it is equal to, here what number? Minus 100. This minus 5 come to this side, plus 5. Minus 100 plus 5. See here the signs are different. So we subtract these two numbers. Here 100 is the greater number. In front of 100 is minus. So the answer will be minus. 100 minus. Now you leave the sign. Just you see the numbers. Find the difference between two numbers, 100 and 5. What is the answer? Yes, 95. See here, minus 5 and minus 95. We get the answer is minus 100. Next, minus 52 plus of minus 52. Listen here. Here the signs are same. Minus 52, minus 52. So here the signs are same. We put the same sign in the answer. We add the integer. We add these two integer. We get 104. That is the answer is minus 104. See here. When we add two integer, the answer is 0. So then the two integers are additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse of minus 22? Yes, plus 22. We add plus 22 and minus 22. The answer is 0. See here, in which number we add to minus 70, the answer will be plus 70. Here we take the integer. Let us take A. Here we have to find the value of A. So keep A as it is equal to, what is the, after that is right hand side, what number? 70. This minus 70 come to this side, it comes plus 70. So 70 plus 70, 140. The value of A is 140. When we add 140 plus of minus 70, the answer is plus 70. Next, 20 plus 80 plus dash is equal to 0. We add these three integer, we get the answer is 0. See here, first we add these two integer. 20 plus 80, 100. So 100 plus dash is equal to 0. If the answer is 0, then the two integers are additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse of 100? Yes, minus 100. Here 100 plus of minus 100 is 0. 75 minus 25. 75 is positive integer, that is plus 75 minus 25. Here the signs are different, so we subtract the integer. See here 75 is the greater number. In front of 75 we have positive sign, so we put plus. Now we find the difference between, now leave the integer. What is the difference between 75 and 25? Yes, 50. See, 75 minus 25 is 50 plus 50. See, 171 plus dash is equal to 0. Here the answer is 0. So what is the additive inverse of 171? Yes, minus 171. Next, minus 3 plus of minus 12 plus of minus 77 is equal to dash minus 12 plus of minus 77. See here we put the bracket first to integer. Here the bracket in second and third integer. See, the same integer is here minus 12 and minus 77. So what is the first integer here? Minus 3. So here the first integer is minus 3. This is associative property. Here the bracket only interchanged. The numbers are same. Here also, here we have 3 integers. So this is also associative property. See here the first integer is minus 42 plus of dash plus minus 23 is equal to, see here what is the first integer? Here minus 42. So here also the first integer is minus 42. Here the second integer plus 15. So here also the second integer is plus 15. Plus here the third integer is minus 23. So here also the third integer is the same number, minus 23. Then see second one, true or false. The additive inverse of minus 32 is minus 32. See, additive inverse is a number has its own negative number. See here, minus 30. What is the additive inverse of minus 32 is plus 32. This is the additive inverse of minus 30. Plus 32 is the additive inverse of minus 32. But in that question, the additive inverse of minus 32 is also in minus 32. So this is false. See here, minus 90 plus of minus 30. We add these two integer. See here the signs are same. So put the same sign in the answer. Now leave the sign. Now we add this integer. 90 plus 30 is 120. So the answer is minus 120. But in that question given minus 60. So this also false. See, now we add these two integer, that is minus 125 plus 25. See here the signs are different. So we subtract these two integer. We put the sign in greater number sign. Here the greater number is 125. In front of 125 is minus. So put minus sign. Now leave the sign. What is the difference between 125 and 25 is 100. Here the answer is minus 100. Here minus 125 plus 25 is minus 100. So this is true. Now see third Roman. The first two sums are homework. Just you see the previous class how to add the integer using number line. Try to do the two sums. Here I will do the third sum. We add these two integer, minus 100, minus 10. See here the signs are same. So put the same sign in the answer. 100 plus 10. Just leave the sign. Now if the signs are same, we add the integer. If the signs are different, we find the difference between the two integer. Here the signs are same. So put the same sign in the answer. Now you leave the sign. What is the remaining numbers? Yes. How to add these numbers? 100 plus 10 is 110. See, minus 100 plus of minus 10 is minus 110. This is the answer. Next, see the fourth sum. See here, plus 20. 20 is positive integer. So we write plus 20 minus 72. Listen, see carefully. Here the signs are different. So we subtract the integer. See, here plus 20 and minus 72 is given. See, here the two signs are different. So we find the difference between these two integers. Now you just leave the sign. Now which is the greater number? 72 is the greater number. In front of 72 we have minus. So the answer will be minus. See here, what is the difference between 72 and 20? Yes, the answer is 52. See, 72 minus 20. 72 minus 20 is 52. If we subtract the integer, we find the difference between 20 and 72 is 52. So the answer is minus 52. See, in the third sum, I do only two sums, 3 and 4. Then the remaining sums are homework. Like the same method, try to do the sums. See the fourth sum. See the question. Teinmaller appeared for competitive exam which has negative scoring of 1 mark for each incorrect answer. So each incorrect answer have the negative mark 1. In paper 1, she answered 25 questions incorrectly. Paper 1 la 25 questions are wrong. And in paper 2, 13 questions incorrectly. In paper 2, she done 13 questions incorrectly. Find the total reduction of mark. See here, number of incorrect answer in paper 1. See, 25 questions she done wrongly. See, so the mark is, negative mark is minus 25. Number of incorrect answer in paper 2. In paper 2, 13 questions wrongly answered. So, minus 13. See here, now we find the total. Total means we add the integer, we add the marks. Here the 2 marks are negative marks. So, here the 2 signs are same. So, put the same sign in the answer. Now, you leave the sign. See here, now we add these 2 numbers, 25 and 13. The answer is minus 38. So, total negative mark is 38. Total reduction of mark is 38. Thank you, students. The remaining sums we will see in the next class.